Quick challenge. 4 divided by 4, 4 times in a row. Most get it wrong. Here's where most people go wrong. They see pairs and group them. The brain wants to pair these up. 2 pairs, 2 operations. First pair, 4 divided by 4. That's 1. Second pair, 4 divided by 4. Also 1. Divide those and you get 1. Simple, right? Incorrect. PEMDAS tells us division must be performed strictly from left to right, one at a time. Let's review PEMDAS quickly. Parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division from left to right, then addition and subtraction from left to right. The key here, multiplication and division have equal priority. So when you see multiple divisions in a row, you must work left to right. Now, let's apply this rule correctly. Let's start fresh and do this correctly. Step 1. The first division, 4 divided by 4. That's 1. Now we continue with what's left. Step 2. 1 divided by 4. 1/4. Keep going. Step 3. 1/4 divided by 4. And we get 1/16. Look at this comparison. Grouping in pairs gives 1. The correct left-to-right method gives 1/16. Completely different answers. Here's the fundamental principle. When you see division chains, work left to right. Always, no exceptions. A divided by B divided by C means first divide A by B, then divide the result by C. It does not mean divide A by the result of B divided by C. Think it's 1? Wrong. It's 1/16. That's what happens when you ignore left to right. If this cleared up the confusion, hit that like button and subscribe for more math insights. See you next time.